This washer and dryer unit works just fine, but it's very old, so it's a good idea to look under the hood, so to speak. And the bleach dispenser looks rusted out, probably because a lot of bleach was spilled all over the place, and some of it dripped to the very bottom as well. And here on the bottom I can see a metal clamp that is rusted and broken, but it's supposed to be attached to the drain hose at the pump. And the metal clamp on the top of the hose looks okay, so it should be good for now. And here's another clamp attached to the other side of the drain pump, and it's just about to fail as well. You can buy some replacement clamps for about $10 each and install them yourself. It's fairly easy and cheap repair, considering the damage a leaky washer can cause to your home if left unattended. And now I need to unscrew the second clamp, but I'm not sure it's going to work with a regular screwdriver. So it's probably best to use a pair of pliers. I would still twist it to the left as with a screwdriver, and it snaps. Well, I guess it was good time to replace it anyway. And here's another new clamp, just tighten it around the hose. Even though I'm not touching any electrical components, it's a good idea to unplug your unit from the wall so you don't get electrocuted by accident. And after that you may want to run a load of laundry to make sure that the new clamps sit just right and don't leak any water. And if it looks good, install the cover back on. If you found this video informative, hit the like button, and thanks for watching.